Door-to-door salesman.
Oh, vacuum.
Okay, I'm going to combine those two. Door-to-door, grave diggers. First day of your door-to-door, grave digger job. Door-to-door cemetery. So when you're ready, start your seat.
Alright, so. Do you have your shovel, Sir Sal?
I got my shovel. It's in my big, heavy, metal-bound pack.
None effect.
I just need like a. It's like
You're kind of missing picking it up
a
there.
pack. It's not. It's actually a lot bigger than it sounds.
I brought my really small pack.
All right. Okay. So, do you have the keys to the truck? All right. Awesome. Okay. So let's talk on this truck.
Well, the hearse, anyway.
The hearse? Oh yeah.
Yeah. Did you fill it up with gas?
I'm just sitting. Oh, I should probably just. Let me open my door. My door's not open. My door's just.
I locked you in.
You locked me in, Christian.
Yeah, let's actually start the car.
Okay, so.
Formula One race car hearse thing.
Hey, well, there we go. I have to stop.
Okay,
all right.
Pedal to the metal.
I'm not doing anything.
Don't worry, I'll hit a few people. We'll get us more business.
Oh man, I'm so bored. I'm gonna talk to a cell phone.
You're pushing the same number over and over.
Hey mom, how's it going? All right, that's cool. I'm just doing my job now. No, mom, your voice sounds totally different than you used to. But it's anyways, mom, I'm on the job now, so you have to go, okay? Okay, bye.
I wish my mom loved me as much as your mom loves
My mom's
you.
the best.
Hey, we're here at the first house. Let's go knock on it.
All right. I'll just wait. Let me do the honors. Let me okay. Wow. Hello.
Hey, sir, do you have any dead people in your life?
We got this a lot. Here's our body transmittal.
No!
Our complimentary shovel pen.
You're up! Good!
Wait. Complimentary photograph.
Oh, okay.
Bring out your dead. We'll take a picture of you with them.
Bring it.
Last memories. It'll last forever.
Oh, Mr. Forkful Bottoms. Oh, there it's just
Oh god. Oh, there's the foot.
Do you
Oh,
want
we
to-
better. This thing is like decomposed.
Do you want us to bury Mr. Fluffle Bottoms for you?
In my backyard, please. Like, I just can't bring myself to do it.
I'm just like joking around.
Here, come in, we'll go
I
find
got its
out.
other half right here.
Oh. Thank you.
No problem. That took care of some of the weight.
I'll put down my
Okay, is this the backyard?
Yes.
Okay, let's just put him over here.
Let me just
That's
grab
my tools. Okay, you get your really big shovel, I got my really small ones.
I have dual tools that don't make any sense.
Spoon shovel, let's go.
Big shovel. Alright.
I think that's big enough. You missed out.
Let me just dig a little bit.
Okay, go.
So I felt like useless. Alright. Awesome. Alright. It's a hard day's work. Alright, so we just gotta like put this
Dead moldy cat in
yeah.
Mr. Fluffbottoms.
Alright, so they make it part of this little tombstone. It's part of
That's
our
weird because that
services.
was the wrong end to make a noise from.
Quiet! I'm carving up this tombstone.
Okay, I'll put the other half in while you do that.
Why, Mr. Fluffbottoms?
And amazingly, it's done. That'll be $250.
Why does it say rest in peach?
Because, rest in peach? Because, I already told you, I don't know what the Canadian citizen.
And it says that you had the floatiest bottom of them all.
Well, he did.
Oh, I guess this is good. We'll just.
I have a radio for the funeral service. I just brought this little black box. So I'll just turn that on now.
Why can't I get this? We're gathered here today because Mr. Fluffle Bottoms is dead. He's dead. He was such a good kitty, and he loved to tissue. What did they make a tissue? Fish on the brains. This guy's going insane. Oh, my nose is all stuffed up. Rest in peace, Mr. Fluffle Bottoms.
That was beautiful. Here's some money.
$5,000. Well spent. So, we're gonna go find more dead people to bury in people's backyards.
Yep, another hard day's work done.
Thank you for your services.
Oh, no problem. No problem. If you have any more deceased animals,
Here's your complimentary photograph. Yeah, I remember what you told me. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a blessed day. And if you die, feel free to contact us.
I'll call you from beyond the grave.
I have this airplane as well. Here, it's yours.